Welcome to ULABO USA. This is Question Mark. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to our newest circulator product line, the MAGIO. The MAGIO comes in two circulator models, the MS and the MX. So let's start with the MAGIO MS first. The MAGIO MS can come as a heating circulator with an adjustable bridge, as you see here. This unit can go up to on tanks up to 100 liters in size. The unit itself comes in either 115 volt with a 1 kilowatt heater or 230 volt with a 2 kilowatt heater. The upper temperature limit is 300 degrees C. It has a pressure suction pump that's totally adjustable from 40 to 100% for a pressure range of 3.5 to 13.3 psi and a flow rate from 16 to 31 liters per minute. So one of the biggest things you can see from a control perspective is the color touch screen. So there are three main views. You can see just general data information on temperatures, your set point, your fluid volume level, and a temperature graph. You can scroll over for more data, for example, like safety set point data, or a larger graph. The unit can also come on the BC4 tank for internal or external applications. The 4 in the model name refers to a 4-liter bath size. So we just reviewed the MAGIO MS heating circulator combinations. Think of the MAGIO MS standing for multi-system. So you can also pair that with refrigeration units for refrigerated heating circulator combinations. So we have 5 models available, ranging from -30 to 200 degrees C. The MAGIO MS310F has 330 watts of cooling power, up to the MAGIO MS1000F with -50 to 200 degrees C range with a kilowatt of cooling power and 110 watts of cooling power at -40 degrees C. So these units are excellent systems for a variety of industries, whether you're running chemistry reactions, biochemical fermentations, automotive component testing, aerospace applications, you name it. There are a lot of industries that can utilize the products for the MAGIO systems. So we reviewed all of the MAGIO MS heating circulator combinations and refrigerated heating circulator combinations. Now let's jump over to the MAGIO MX. So from a user interface perspective and communication, it's identical to the MAGIO MS. The difference is it has a deeper immersion depth, and it only comes in 230 volt with a 3 kilowatt heater. So the MAGIO MX is available with the Z bridge up to 100 liter applications, temperatures up to 300 degrees C, and it comes in bath tank combinations of 6, 12, and 26 liters for either internal or external heating applications like distillations, any kind of temperature testing, semiconductor, wafer chuck, temperature control, and things of that nature. So all MAGIO MX models, since they're heating only, also come with an integrated cooling coil that has fittings on the back so you can connect that to tap water to cool down actively, or you can also utilize one of our accessory solenoid valves for cooling water solenoid. Then you, with a setting on here, like let's say you're at 200 degrees C and you want to cool it down quickly. Once you put in a lower set point, that solenoid valve would open, automatically flow water through that cooling coil and bring your temperature down. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to anyone at ULABO, or you can check out the products on ulabo.us. And we also have a compare function on there. So if you want to see the difference between the MX-BC6 and the MX-BC12, you can have the information for both models up at the same time.